Hi students, I am Tanveer Malik, your physics teacher. Today we will discuss about practical based assessment paper for SSC-2. Since this paper is first time conducted by the federal board, that's why I have decided to make a video about this paper and share with you. First of all, I will show you the notification regarding this paper. This is the notification of federal board guidelines and instructions for teachers and paper setters. There will be two sections in PBA paper. Section A, there will be one question having parts in it. And similarly, in section B, there will be also one question, and this also have parts in it. And this notification is available on website of Fbise. There will be no MCQs in this paper. These are the list of the practical papers. And this list contains 5 practicals in section A and 5 practicals in section B. In part 1, it contains 5 practicals. Note them. Part 2, it also carries 5 practicals. And this list also available on FBISC website. You can download it. Next is model paper. This is the model paper. Model paper, Physics SSC-2 Practical Based Assessment for 2005. 2 to 5. Total marks 10. Time allowed is 45 minutes. Note, attempt all questions and answer the questions within the provided space along with each question. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, a student investigates the time period of simple pendulum. So what is simple pendulum? This is simple pendulum. And this pendulum was used in old clocks. This pendulum starts vibrating about mean positions, due to which this clock starts working. Now your practical is you have to change the length of this pendulum. This is the length from hook to center of the bob. And what is effect on time period? What is the time period? Time period is time taken for one vibration. When pendulum moves from A to C and back to A, this is called one vibration. And time required to complete one vibration, that is called time period. You have to study the effect of length on time period. This is your question. Student measure the time for 10 vibrations of different lengths of the thread and record the observation in the following table. Radius of the bob is 2.26. This is given. You have to fill this table. Length of the thread 80 centimeter. Next is length of simple pendulum, small l plus radius. You will add 2.26 in this length. That means 80 plus 2.26, it becomes 82.26. Next is time for 10 vibration, 18.23. Again, you have measured the time, which is 18.22. Next, you have to find the mean time. Mean time means average time. And you know how average is found. Average is found by adding these two times and you will divide it with 2. So first time was 18.23 plus second is 18.22 and their answer will be this. You will divide it with 2 divided by 2. So you will get 18.23. 18 point, that was 225. So I will round off 23. This is the mean time. Next is time period. That's means t divided by 10. You will divide this time with 10. 18.23 divided by 10. So I will divide this answer with 10. Since this is t by 10, you will get 1.822. 1.82. Next is you have to find the value of g, which is basic question. You are studying the effect of length on value of g. So you will put all these calculation in this formula. Formula is 4 pi square. So you will put these values. Pi square. Pi is 3.14. 4 multiplied by square multiplied by capital L. This is multiplied by capital L. What is value of capital L? This is capital L. 82.26. 82.26. This will be equal to this. Now you will divide with t square. Divided by t square, capital T. This is your capital T. 1.82 square. 0.82 square. This will become 979. 979.4 centimeter per second square. This is first value. Now the student changed the length. Instead of 80, he increased the length to 90 centimeter. So when you will add radius, it becomes 92.26. You will find the mean value, 19.17 plus 19.15. 19.7 plus 19.7 equal to and divided by 2. Same, you will repeat this and your answer will be mean time is 19.16. Now you will divide it with 10. Capital T is equal to small t divided by 10. This is your small t. When you will divide it with 10, 1.91. Next, you will put this value for finding the value of g. Now I will put these values. 4 multiplied by 3.14 value of pi. 3.14 square multiplied by capital L. Capital L was 92.26. 92.26. This is equal to, now you will divide with t square. T is, capital T is 1.91. 1.91 square, t square. We will take it square and it will be equal to 997. 997.3. This is your second value. Similarly, you will calculate its third value. Now length is 100 centimeter. So when you will add radius, this will become 100.26. 102.26. You will add in 2.26. 102.26. Now you will calculate its average. 20 plus 20, 40, 40.12. That's mean 20.6. By same method, 20 plus 20, 40, 0.01 plus 0.11, it will become 1, 2. And when you will divide it with 2, so 20.6. Next is you will divide it with 10, so it becomes 2.06. Now you will calculate the value of G. So you will put all these values, 4 pi square, 4 multiplied by 3.14 square multiplied by capital L, and capital L is 102. 102.26. This is, and divided by T square. T square is 2.06 divided by 2.06 square, and your answer will be 950.36. These are the three values which the student calculated with the length of 80, 90, and 100 centimeter. Next is calculate the mean value of G. So how you will find the mean value of G? So you will write 979.4 plus 997.3 plus 950.36 divided by 3. This is the mean value of G. So you will find mean value of G 979.4 plus 997.3 plus 950.36 divided by 3. 975.6. This is your 0.6 centimeter per second square. This is your mean value of G. Next is calculate the percentage error in the calculated value of G. Now you have to calculate the percentage error. How you can calculate the percentage error? Formula for finding the percentage error is measured value minus true value divided by true value. So first of all, you have to find the difference between measured and true value. When you calculate this difference, then you will multiply with 100. So true value of G is 980 and measured value is 975.6 divided by true value 980 multiplied by 100. Since we are calculating in centimeter, in meter we will write it 9.8, but we are using since centimeter, so it is 980. So we will subtract it and we will multiply it with 100. We can find the percentage difference. 980 minus 975.6 equal to this multiplied by 100 divided by 980. 0.44 8, and next is 9, so we can write 0.449%. This is the percentage error. Next is